XL 32 ounces capacity for big thirsts. Silicone soft straw stays completely covered and yuck-free during transport. All parts dishwasher safe and BPA free. Straw disassembles for easy cleaning. Soft touch carry loop perfect for on the go. Life moves fast. Stay hydrated. Pogo Tritan water bottles are compact and portable, making it ideal for hydrating families on the go. Choose chug lid or soft straw lid. Pogo Tritan's design is leak-proof and features a soft touch carry loop for easy transportation. Top reviews from the United States. Only brand I trust to not leak. There are a million water bottles on the market that claim they're leak-proof, and unfortunately I have wasted a ton of money trying to find the good ones. I own this particular water bottle in several colors, that's how much I love them. The bottle is great quality plastic, the lids screw on easily and securely. The lid is the star here. It has a rubber grip flexible handle. Secure, but easy to open flip cap that covers a leak-proof zipper. The straw is detachable for easy cleaning, it fits snug in the hole inside the lid so you don't have to worry about it falling out. You will need a bottle brush to clean it, of course. I've bought this bottle for my nursing coworkers for their B-days, for my family members as well. The only thing that could make this bottle even better would be keeping my water cold much longer.